Welcome back to Faithful Narrations. Today we will discuss the Hadith of Jibreel. Found in both Sahih Muslim, it offers timeless guidance for Muslims. The Hadith begins with the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, sitting among his companions when an unknown man appeared. His appearance was striking. He had exceptionally white clothes and jet black hair with no visible signs of travel, leaving the companions puzzled about his identity. This man sat close to the Prophet, showing utmost respect, and began asking questions about fundamental aspects of the religion. The Prophet's answers, clear and profound, provide the foundation of Islam's teachings. The man first asked, "What is Iman?" The Prophet replied, "Iman is to believe in Allah, His angels, His books, His messengers, the last day, and to believe in divine decree, both its good and bad." This explanation emphasizes belief in the unseen. Belief in Allah means affirming His oneness, attributes, and that He alone is worthy of worship. Belief in angels acknowledges their existence as Allah's obedient servants who carry out His commands, such as Jibreel delivering revelation. Belief in books refers to accepting all scriptures revealed by Allah, with the Quran as the final and complete revelation. Belief in messengers includes all prophets sent to guide humanity, with Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, as the seal of the prophets. Belief in the last day encompasses resurrection, accountability, and eternal life in paradise or hell. Finally, belief in divine decree instills trust in Allah's wisdom, knowing everything happens by His will and knowledge, whether we perceive it as good or bad. The man then asked, "What is Islam?" The Prophet answered, "Islam is to testify that there is no God but Allah, and that Muhammad is His messenger, to establish prayer, to give zakat, to fast during Ramadan, and to perform pilgrimage to the house Hajj if you are able." Islam represents the outward practices of the religion. These 5 pillars form the foundation of a Muslim's submission to Allah. Shahada, testimony of faith. Declaring the oneness of Allah and the prophethood of Muhammad is the first step in becoming a Muslim. Salah, prayer. Performing 5 daily prayers connects a believer to Allah, instilling discipline and mindfulness. In zakat, charity. Giving a portion of one's wealth to the needy purifies wealth and promotes social justice. And fasting in Ramadan. Abstaining from food, drink, and sin during daylight hours fosters self-control and spiritual reflection. Chant, Hajj, pilgrimage. Obligatory once in a lifetime for those physically and financially capable, Hajj unites Muslims worldwide in devotion to Allah. These pillars emphasize both individual and communal aspects of worship and submission to Allah. The man asked further, "What is Ihsan?" The Prophet replied, "Ihsan is to worship Allah as though you see Him, and even if you do not see Him, know that He sees you." Ihsan represents the highest level of faith, where a believer's actions are performed with sincerity and a deep awareness of Allah's presence. It goes beyond the outward observance of religious duties and focuses on internal spirituality. Worshipping Allah with the consciousness of His presence cultivates humility, mindfulness, and a strong personal connection with Him. Next, the man inquired, "When is the hour, Day of Judgment?" The Prophet responded, "The one being asked knows no more than the questioner." This reply highlights that the timing of the hour is known only to Allah. However, the Prophet shared some signs of its approach. 1. The slave girl giving birth to her master, interpreted as societal upheaval and changing norms. 2. Barefoot, destitute shepherds competing in constructing tall buildings, a metaphor for arrogance and materialism among people who were previously poor. The Prophet then recited the Quranic verse, "Indeed, Allah alone has knowledge of the hour." Quran 31:34. This underscores the importance of focusing on one's faith and actions rather than speculating about the unknown. After the man departed, the Prophet revealed to his companions that the visitor was Gabriel, sent to teach them their religion. This moment underscores the importance of asking questions to seek knowledge and understanding. The Hadith of Jibreel serves as a concise summary of Islam. 1. The inner beliefs, Iman, that form the foundation of a Muslim's faith. 2. The outward actions, Islam, that embody submission to Allah. 3. The spiritual excellence, Ihsan, that elevates worship and fosters a deep connection with Allah. 4. The signs of the hour, reminding Muslims of accountability and the transient nature of this world. This hadith also highlights the teaching method of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. By engaging in a dialogue with Jibreel, he ensured that the companions absorbed the knowledge effectively. It demonstrates that seeking knowledge is a collective responsibility and encourages asking questions for better understanding. The Hadith of Jibreel encapsulates the essence of Islam, offering a holistic framework for belief, practice, and spirituality. It is a reminder for every Muslim to nurture their faith, strive for excellence in their actions, and remain mindful of their accountability to Allah. Through its teachings, this hadith continues to inspire Muslims to deepen their understanding and strengthen their relationship with Allah. May Allah guide us all to implement these principles in our lives.